To add money to your Robinhood debit card, start by opening the Robinhood app and clicking on the cash or card icon located at the bottom of the screen, to the left of the profile icon. If you have signed up for the spending account, you will see a similar interface. From this screen, click on Transfer Money to proceed. Next, select the From account by clicking on that section, and then choose the account from which you want to transfer your money. In the To section, select the spending account, as any money added to this account will be used as your debit card funds. To add money to your debit card, you must add it to your Robinhood spending account. Once you have selected the spending account, enter the amount you want to transfer and click the Transfer button. Your deposit will then be initiated, and your money will be available in a short period of time.